Imagine being able to create WhatsApp automations just by simply typing the instruction. No coding, no complex step, no manually connecting the apps. You simply tell AI what to do. So for example, you can type when a new lead is added in Google Sheets, send a WhatsApp message, and the automation workflow is created for you. Sounds interesting, right? Well, that's exactly what the new AI builder in Pabbly Connect allows you to do. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can create WhatsApp automations instantly with AI without any code. So let's get started. So for that you just have to open your dashboard inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of WhatsApp automations for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation. Once you log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your dashboard, go on this create workflow, and you're going to see the option of create using AI. So open this. So what is this AI workflow builder? So inside Pabbly Connect, now there is an AI assistant that helps you to create workflows. So instead of manually creating the workflows, you can use this AI assistant. So let's get started and see how this AI workflow builder can create WhatsApp automations. So you have multiple features over here, which is create workflows, explore apps, get triggers, and get actions. You can use any one of this. Apart from this, you can just type the prompt over here and it is going to create the workflow for you. So let's say I am just going to type the prompt as new lead received via Google Ads, send WhatsApp message. Okay, so I'm just going to enter the prompt over here. And as you can see that this is the prompt which we have entered, which is new lead received via Google Ads, sent WhatsApp message. And I am just going to send this prompt. Once I'm going to send this prompt, it is saying analyzing your request. Now it is saying which Google ad trigger should start this workflow. So let's just select this new lead form entry. Now it is saying multi-apps match WhatsApp. Which one would you like to use? So you can use any WhatsApp app like WhatsApp by AI, Sensi, Vati, Pabbly Chartflow. So I am just going to search for Pabbly Chartflow over here. For that I have to go on this other and search for Pabbly Chartflow because I want to send automated WhatsApp messages using Pabbly Chartflow. It is saying which Pabbly Chartflow action would you like to send message with. So let's select it as send text message, and you're going to see this workflow is ready to create. So let's just click on this approve and create, and yes, this workflow is created successfully. So I entered my request at 1:43 p.m. and at 1:44 p.m. the workflow was created. So let's just open this workflow and you're going to see yes, this workflow is created right over here. Further, I just have to connect my apps and my workflow is ready. And not only for two apps, let's just connect this workflow for multiple apps too. Let's just go on this create workflow, create using AI. Now let's just start fresh. Once we're going to start fresh, let's say I'm just going to enter a longer prompt over here which is multi-step workflow. Since you have entered the prompt as when a new form is submitted, send a Slack message, send an email, send a WhatsApp message, and add the contact to the CRM. So let's just check that in how much time the workflow is getting created. So it is saying analyzing your request. It is saying which app should we use as trigger in this workflow. So let's just select it as Google Forms over here. Now it is saying which Google Forms trigger. So let's just select the same. It is saying which Slack action would you like to send the messages. So let's just select it. For the Gmail, let's select it. And now for the WhatsApp, we have to select the WhatsApp application first. So if you want in the prompt, you can specify the application to send WhatsApp message via Vati, via AI Sensi or something like that. So what is going to happen is then you only have to select the event and not the application. So I'm just going to select the application as WhatsApp Cloud API, then select the event over here. Now for the CRM, I'm just going to select the CRM and then the event. Now you're going to see this workflow is created. So yes, a 5-step workflow is created within a minute. I entered my request at 1:46 and you're going to see at 1:47 the workflow was ready. So let's click on this approve and create, and this workflow is created successfully. Yes, now I just have to connect my applications and then I am good to go. Further, if you want to learn how to connect WhatsApp Cloud API or Pabbly chat flow, we have videos on that on our YouTube channel. This video was only focusing on how to create WhatsApp automations using this AI feature of Pabbly chat flow. So yes, within minutes you can create multiple WhatsApp automations. Then you just have to connect your apps and then you are good to go. You don't have to connect your apps manually, don't have to search for the apps manually. Just describe your workflow over here in a prompt and instantly your workflow will be created. This is especially useful for beginners who are just getting started with automation. So that's how you can create WhatsApp automations instantly using AI and without coding. We saw how AI can create workflows involving multiple apps as well as simple as 2 apps automation. And now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, and if you want more automation tips and tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone.
So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.